Salicylic acid is the most powerful substance for removing cracked feet and dead skin layers and can be used from 5 to 15% in ointment. Also, salicylic acid removes excess fat and impurities by penetrating the skin pores and reduces skin inflammation. For this reason, this substance is effective in treating acne, closed pores, and blackheads. It is better to cover the soles of the feet with a plastic cover when using this ointment. By doing this, the effect of the ointment will increase and the effect will be faster. Due to the presence of salicylic acid, this ointment can be stored for a long time and can be produced in large amount for sale. If you're enjoying this, feel free to subscribe. It would mean a lot. Thank you. The effect of this ointment is wonderful, and I have tested it many times on my feet and my family. It removes all cracks and dry skin layers in just 3 to 5 days. If you're enjoying this, feel free to subscribe. It would mean a lot. Thank you. The anti-crack ointment is also very effective in eliminating the darkness of knees and elbows. Apply this ointment 2 or 3 times a day on the dark spots of the body, and you will be surprised by the result within a week.